Red flowing into abstract White House by Atelier Tom Vanhee in OOSTERZELE, Belgium. The abstract reconstruction of a dilapidated barn provides the required inward expansion of the main house. The new living spaces in redwood flow into the barn and open up the main house onto the garden. As in the past, arches add rhythm to the abstract volume, and a covered terrace connects the interior courtyard with the rear garden. The stable was renovated with visible concrete additions and serves as a storage area, but an inward expansion of the farm will also be possible in the future with a guest room. The conversion is environmentally conscious. The main structure of the rebuilt farm barn is circular and consists of a bolted steel frame between which a secondary wooden structure is attached. The simple sheds with corrugated steel metal sheets commonly spotted in the agricultural landscape are an inspiration. The barn's new infill continues the old play of red baseboard and whitewashed walls in a quirky way with white corrugated steel sheets and red wooden slats. The steel galvanized structure allows for continuous spatial living space without a visible structure. The living space thus has maximum adaptability or flexibility to infill in the future. The redwood volume follows the steel structure, but also partially distances itself from the steel frame. This creates a covered and shaded outdoor living space and circulation that also provides access to the rear garden from the courtyard. The conversion breathes new life into the oldest farmhouse in Ingenieursadvoes. The original house is given different residential atmospheres, spaces that are more open in relation to the garden, with the light changing during the day, covered shaded outdoor space, garden terrace bathed in the sun, living space with increased experience value, spatial, views, light, vistas, etc. Wading pipes and sewerage enables future infill of the barn. Reused rainwater is used for toilets, washing machines, and the garden. The remaining rainwater infiltrates into the soil. The old dilapidated rafters were taken off the building in one piece and will be used as a conservatory. All details are airtight and carefully thermally insulated. Most of the materials used were also chosen on the basis of their life cycle analysis score, NIBE. A conscious decision was made to reclaim the existing kitchen from the house and use it in the new living space. A ventilation system C+ takes fresh air only when needed. The little heat still needed is supplied by a low-temperature underfloor heating system.